So how do you create a YouTube channel on desktop? Well, in this video, let's take a look. First of all, you need to make sure you're signed into your Google account and then go to youtube.com. Now, if you've used YouTube before, you've most likely got a YouTube account. So now let's turn that into a channel. Come up to your profile picture in the top corner, which is most likely your initial, and then click create a channel. Or if you already have a channel here and you want to create a new one, you can go to switch account, view all channels, and then create a channel. Both ways should bring up this same screen. So select a profile picture if you want, or what I'm going to do is I'm going to call this YouTube Launchpad test. And there we go. It's added a handle, which is available. You may find if you take off some of this, that you end up with one that isn't available. And so you'll just need to make sure that you've got one that is, and then click create a channel. And you've now got a YouTube channel. You may need to switch account up here to select it if you've got multiple. Now you've got a YouTube channel, you can use YouTube Studio to edit it. And if you want more quick tips like this, then check out this playlist.